Huh?
There we go, he finally sent it. Oh, I didn't see you come in. I have a fun announcement to make. I am releasing a free new sound pack for all of you to use. And yes, I designed all these sounds myself. It was definitely me. The free download is in the description box below. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I'm hosting a huge contest where you can win some great prizes. The person who wins this contest is going to get $250 plus access to the advanced level of my course, Better Beatmaker, for absolutely free. Just an update, ImageLine also agreed to throw in some prizes, so the top 3 placers are also going to get free copies of FL Studio, so thank you to ImageLine for joining in the fun. So stick around until later in the video because I'm going to tell you the rules for that. First, a little bit about the kit. It's called the Alien Kit, and the reason why is because the sounds in it are meant to sound more unique and different and alien-like. You guys know me, I am sick and tired of hearing the same old guitar and flute type beats, so let's throw these boring sounds in the garbage. Yeah! And let's make some alien beats instead. Let me go through some of these sounds. Like I mentioned, they are meant to sound different. So let's say you got your melody built, but you have a boring old sound. Instead, why don't you load up some alien sounds? Or we could try this sound here. Or maybe this one. No more plain old boring sounds for you anymore. Especially some of these other sounds as well. If I click through the low end sounds here. They still hit hard, but there's a little bit of extra pepper on them. Same thing with these higher end sounds here. Still useful, but just a little bit different. I'm gonna go ahead and make a quick beat using some of these sounds. So let's start with this sound here. Sounds pretty cool if I pitch it way down. Sounds pretty cool. Let's grab another little sound here. Let's grab a nice little 808 here. See how this beat sounds with some vocals on top.
So like Shaq West, two-tone be rich as the tag, bust down my neck. Diamond Navie, water Fiji, flooded with baguettes. Beretta, Draco, Tech, free my click, but crip my set. Son of money, gang got rep. Up and stuff like elevators. All my niggas take the steps. Broke my ankle, broke my toe, ripping and stepping.
Wow, it's just that easy. So the contest I mentioned is to see who can make my favorite beat using these sounds. To enter, download the Alien Kit and make a beat using at least one sound. Then you're gonna send me the beat to the email below with the subject line Alien Beat. Send me a link to the beat, like a YouTube or a SoundCloud link. Please do not attach the beat to the email. And if you do attach the beat to the email, I do have a friend who's looking for humans to probe, and I might just give them your name. Whoever makes my favorite beat will win some cold hard cash and get to join my course for free. The deadline for this is January 10th. I will probably announce the winner a few days or a week after. So that's about it. By the way, since these alien sounds are one-shots, it might be a good idea for you to watch my video on how to use one-shots and the best tips and tricks you need to know when using them. I look forward to hearing what you come up with, and by the way, my old drum kit is still available for free as well in the description box below if you want to give that a download. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, and if you want to join my producer community, the link to that is in the description box below as well, and I'll see you next time.